Good day everyone, welcome to African Salt Film Production as we proceed on the Isedale Yoruba. In episode 7, we discuss on how the wicked act on the wicked want and how he should taught Akapo how to pray for his head. In episode 8, we are going to see how Akapo sued Orunmila to Olodumare's court. After he should taught Akapo how to pray for his head, and Akapo did it and all things got better for him. He thanked Eshu and went back to his house thinking, what a life! Someone I did not even serve, that is Eshu, helped him. And Orunmila had been serving all this while couldn't help me. He was now sending me to Eshu. Well, I thank Olodumare, my prayer has been answered, but I will need to sue Orunmila. Then he called on Olodumare, reported Orunmila because no one can judge him or discipline him but Olodumare. Then Olodumare called Orunmila to his presence and Akapo was there. Then Olodumare asked Orunmila why he didn't help Akapo. And Orunmila said, I have tried my best to try time without number to help Akapo, but his head rejected my help. And I know him very well. If I did not find solution to his problem, he might fight me or sue me like this. But his destiny told me that his help is in the hand of Eshu. And I immediately sent him to Eshu. And his problems were solved. After this explanation, Akapo understood that Orunmila has really tried for him. And he apologized to Orunmila. Then Olodumare said, no man should judge his fellow man without a vital evidence. Odui Worimeji Esther Keji affirmed that, as it says, Anikandajo òṣèyàn, Anikandajo òṣèyàn, nígbà tí ò gbọ́ tẹni ẹnìkejì, èmi ló dájọ́ ṣe. In addition to this, let's briefly look into what makes Eshu not to be eating Adi. I told you all the Orisha descent from heaven, including Eshu. After they delivered Olodumare's message to the world, in the area Eshu used to be living, he met a woman and he loved this woman to be his mother. And this woman happens to be the one that raises Eshu right from then. As Eshu sees this woman to be his mother, the name of this woman is Adi. The reason why Eshu hates to eat Adi is because they call Arosin, that is extracted from palm kernel, Adi. That is why you dare not give him till date. Watch out for the next episode, which is going to be episode 9. Thank you for watching African Salt Film Production. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of this Yoruba history. Thank you so much.